Hello. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to effectively use the file type validation feature in bit form. Let's begin. Start by going to the Advanced File Upload field settings. When you turn off this option, all file formats will be accepted for upload. Now, enable the file type validation feature. With this option, you can specify the allowed file formats for uploads. For example, if you add zip to the file type validation, only files in the zip format will be accepted for upload. Experiment by attempting to upload files in JPEG and MP4 formats. Remember that you can add multiple file formats to the validation list. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.